Yo, what's good, crypto fam? We live in a wild world. Used to be, you wanted to be a millionaire. You had to invent something crazy, like a cure for bad jokes, or a phone that doesn't die after 2 hours. Now, you can apparently just buy some weird internet money and kick back. Okay, maybe not that simple, but seriously, the crypto game is changing the game. People are flipping Bitcoin like it's a burger at a barbecue, turning a couple $100 into, well, maybe not millions yet, but definitely life-changing money. But before you go cashing out your retirement fund and betting it all on Dogecoin, let's break this thing down. What is this crypto magic, and how do you get a piece of the pie? Buckle up, buttercup, because we're diving headfirst into the world of Bitcoin, blockchain, and all that jazz. Let's get this crypto party started. Alright, so first things first, what the heck is cryptocurrency anyway? Imagine digital cash, but instead of being controlled by banks and governments, it's run by a bunch of computers and math equations. Yeah, I know, it sounds like something out of the Matrix. Basically, crypto is like a digital gold rush. It's decentralized, meaning no single entity controls it. It's also super secure, thanks to this fancy technology called blockchain, which we'll get into later. Think of Bitcoin like the OG, the granddaddy of crypto. It's the most famous, the most valuable, and the one everyone wants a piece of. But there are thousands of other cryptocurrencies out there, each with its own quirks and potential. So, yeah, it's a bit of a digital jungle out there. But don't worry, we'll guide you through it. Now let's talk about blockchain, the real MVP behind cryptocurrency. Imagine a giant digital ledger that keeps track of every single crypto transaction ever made. That's blockchain in a nutshell. It's like a public record, but instead of being kept in some dusty government building, it's spread across a network of computers all over the world. This makes it virtually impossible to hack or manipulate, because to change one part of the blockchain, you'd have to change every single copy of it. Good luck with that. This revolutionary technology isn't just about digital money though. It has the potential to shake up everything from supply chains and healthcare to voting and online identity. We're talking about a future where everything is transparent, secure, and controlled by the people, not some shadowy corporation. Yeah, blockchain is kind of a big deal. Cryptocurrency is cool and all, but what can you actually do with it? Well, more than you might think. Sure, you can buy and sell stuff online, but it's also being used for things like decentralized finance or DeFi, think loans, investments, and other financial services, but without the banks and their pesky fees. Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. These are like digital collectibles, representing ownership of unique digital assets like art, music, or even tweets. Supply chain management. Blockchain can track products from farm to table, ensuring authenticity and transparency. And that's just scratching the surface. As more people jump on the crypto bandwagon, we can expect to see even more innovative uses for this game-changing technology. The future of crypto is looking pretty bright, if you ask me. Crypto one-on-one, your first Bitcoin purchase. Okay, enough with the theory. Let's get practical. How do you actually buy this magical internet money? First things first, you'll need a crypto exchange. Think of it like a stock market, but for cryptocurrency. There are tons of options out there like Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken, each with its own fees and features. Once you've chosen your exchange and created an account, you'll need to verify your identity. Don't worry, it's just like opening a bank account, but with fewer hoops to jump through. Now comes the fun part, buying your first Bitcoin. Most exchanges let you buy crypto with a credit card or bank transfer. Just choose the amount you want to invest, click buy, and boom, you're officially a crypto holder. Congratulations, you've just taken your first step into the exciting world of crypto investing. Long game versus quick buck, picking your crypto style. Now that you're a crypto newbie, it's time to figure out your investing style. Are you in it for the long haul, like a patient gardener, waiting for their Bitcoin tree to bear fruit? Or are you looking for quick profits, riding the waves of market volatility like a crypto surfer? Buy and hold means you buy crypto and hold onto it, ignoring the dips. It takes patience, but it can be rewarding. Day traders thrive on risk, buying and selling within short time frames. It's risky, but can be lucrative. Choose your fighter wisely, my friend. Crypto commandments. Tips from a seasoned hodler. The crypto world can be wild and unpredictable. Arm yourself with knowledge before diving in. Here are a few commandments to live by. Don't blindly follow the hype. Understand the technology and potential risks. Crypto is volatile. Don't risk your rent money. Diversify your investments. Use a hardware or reputable software wallet. Keep up with the latest news and trends. Follow these commandments for crypto success. Risk it for the Bitcoin, the Crypto Rollercoaster. Let's be real, folks. Crypto is not for the faint of heart. It's a roller coaster ride with more ups and downs than a kangaroo on a trampoline. 1 minute you're swimming in digital cash. The next you're wondering if you should have just invested in index funds. But hey, that's part of the thrill, right? The potential for massive gains comes with the inherent risk of losing it all. It's a high stakes game, but for those who play their cards right, the rewards can be life changing. Just remember, don't get caught up in the hype. FOMO, fear of missing out, can lead to impulsive decisions and ultimately financial heartbreak. Take your time, do your research, and invest responsibly. Hold on tight because the crypto roller coaster is about to take off. Conclusion. The future is decentralized. Maybe. So there you have it, folks. Crypto one-on-one in a nutshell. We've covered the basics of cryptocurrency, blockchain technology, investing strategies, and even thrown in some urban humor for good measure. Now, I'm not saying crypto is the answer to all our problems. It's still early days and there are plenty of challenges ahead. But one thing's for sure, this technology has the potential to revolutionize the world as we know it. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a curious newbie, the crypto world is full of opportunities. So, do your research, manage your risks, and most importantly, have fun. Who knows, maybe one day you'll be telling your grandkids about the time you bought Bitcoin when it was still cheap. The future is decentralized and it's waiting for you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, like and share. For more information, visit our website. Peace out.